Hello everyone, I'm Tim. Today I decided to do something different than usual to shake things up. No time like the present to do something new, right? So to be completely original, I'm going to do something many YouTubers may have done before, but not too many karate YouTubers have done. Because today I'm going to play Is Karate Google Autofill? If you're not familiar with the Google Autofill game, it's super easy to play. We just go on Google, type in is karate, and then we go through each letter of the alphabet and let Google automatically fill in the question. Then I'll answer the question with extreme-ish accuracy. Let's start with the letter A. Is karate a good workout? Well, I think so. Karate is a sport next to being a martial art, so I do think it's a good workout. I don't think you can be a good karateka without having some athletic abilities with you. So yeah, I would say karate is a good workout. Let's go for the letter B. Is karate better than judo? Well, this is a little bit touchy subject. Is karate better than one or another martial art? For me personally, I think karate is better than judo because it combines throws which are in judo with more percussive attacks like punching and kicking. For me personally, I think karate is a little bit more complete than judo, but I can be wrong. I'm open for suggestions. Let's go for the letter C. Is karate Chinese? No, it is not, and yes, it is. Let me explain. Karate came from Okinawa. Okinawa, the birthplace of karate, where it came sort of from Chinese forms of kung fu martial arts that were practiced in the south of China, but it was also mixed with some other Southeast Asian martial arts that arrived in Okinawa. Let's go for the letter D. Is karate defensive or offensive? Again, I think it's both and neither. So of course the first use of any martial art should be to defend yourself. But I guess you could also use it to attack anyone. I think it's more of a state of mind that you need to be in, type of mindset to keep it defensive. But yeah, you could use it to attack people. Let's go for the next letter. E. Is karate effective? Well, yeah, I would think it is effective. Of course, you would have to put in some effort as well. It's not like if you learn just your katas that you automatically become a great martial artist. It doesn't work like that. Nothing works like that, by the way. But yeah, the basic attacks in karate are effective if you train them well and in realistic circumstances. Let's continue. Is karate for me? Well, who are you talking about? Is karate for me personally? Yeah, I guess it is. Spent the last 25 years doing karate, so I would say it is for me. If you're asking yourself, is karate for me? Is karate for you? Then I would have to say, I think karate is for everyone. I think anyone can learn it. I think it's truly a universal martial art. Let's go for the next letter. G. Is karate good for self-defense? Yes, it is good for self-defense. Again, it's more in the way it is taught that makes it good for self-defense. There are teachers that don't really grasp why or when Some techniques are more useful for self-defense than others. But if you have a good teacher that takes realistic situations into account, then yes, I do think karate can be good for self-defense. Now it's time for the letter H. Is karate haram? I am not Muslim, so I don't really know what constitutes something to be either haram or halal. I wouldn't really know why karate wouldn't be halal, wouldn't be allowed. So I don't think it is, but if there are Islamic viewers, please enlighten me, because I would like to know. I think it's allowed, but I'm not really sure. Let's see here. Is karate in Cobra Kai real? That depends on what you think or what you mean is real. I believe that, but this is something that has been handled by some YouTube karate teachers before, that the karate that is taught in Cobra Kai, in the dojo Cobra Kai, could be compared with Kyokushin to some extent, where the Miyagi-Do karate would be more akin to Goju-Ryu. But again, neither of these are my personal style, so I'm not really sure. But I think it's a fair claim to say that it's based on Kyokushin, based on Goju-Ryu, and other than that, it's Hollywood. So don't believe when your kid is starting karate that automatically large gangs of karate kids will emerge and start fighting in school. So it's still Hollywood, so it's not really real. Let's go. The next is karate Japanese. Again, yes it is, and no it's not really. So when you're talking about where does it come from when looking from a European or an American point of view, yes, it comes from Japan. But before that, it came from Okinawa, and before that, it came from China and other places within Southeast Asia. Let's continue. Is Karate Kid 3 on Netflix? That would depend entirely from where you are watching this. I believe I saw it on Netflix before, but I'm watching from Belgium, so in Belgium I think it was, but I'm not really sure if it's now. You'll have to check for yourself. Is karate legit Reddit? Sure. Is karate more effective than taekwondo? This is the typical which martial art is better type of question, like before with judo. I would say yes, it's more effective for the same reason I think it's more effective than judo, in the sense that I believe it's more complete, but both taekwondo and judo are mostly known for their competitive forms, where taekwondo is more punching and kicking, actually more kicking, but I'm not really sure. I've never trained taekwondo. For me, I think karate is more complete, but again, if there are taekwondokas watching, tell me why I'm wrong. I believe there is room for discussion. Let's see. Is karate ninja? Strange, I wouldn't think that is a real question, but sure, why not? Is karate open? I'm gonna take this question as, is it open for everyone? I would say yes, anyone can do it. Male, female, children, adults, elderly, even people with disabilities, anyone can start karate. I'm not excluding anyone. Let's go Q, no, P. Is karate popular? Well, as a martial art, I think it's really well known. I think it has had a boost because of it being included in the Olympics, and also because of Cobra Kai as well. Is it still popular? I think MMA has more popularity, more momentum today than karate has, but I would still consider it popular, yes. Let's continue. Q. Karate is, quote, that's not really a question. I'm going to include some quotes in later videos though, so keep an eye out for that. Is karate really popular in the Valley? I think that's a reference to Cobra Kai as well. Is it popular in the Valley? I don't know. Are there viewers there that are from the Valley? Do you know more? Please tell me. Let's continue. So S. There. Is karate spiritual? I would say so. Especially for those that are really passionate about karate. It can be very spiritual. There are some aspects to it that really go further than just a physical experience. I think it's both. I think you have to be spiritual as well as physical in this martial art. It's a martial art, so it implies more than just the physical, more than just the sport. It implies that you have to be mentally as well as physically challenged in it. Let's continue. Yes, it is. Is karate the best martial art? Yes, it is. Of course, it is. It's the same question that if you ask a judo practitioner, is judo the best martial art? Chances are they're going to say yes. If you ask the same to a Krav Maga practitioner, chances are they're going to say yes. For me, karate is the best martial art for me personally, because I've spent a good deal of my life practicing it, and it has meant a lot to me. I think this is a very personal question. Let's leave it at that. Continue here. Useful. Is karate useful? I would say yes, of course. Most of these are yes questions. Is karate useful in a real fight if you're trained well, if you had some realistic training, if you've had pressure training, never forget that. I would say yes, it's useful if you've trained correctly. For the V, is karate violent? Yeah, I believe there are some very violent ways to defend yourself coming from karate. If you just look at some of the bunkai from katas like Niseishi, Nituchiyo, or even Teki or Naianshi, there are some pretty badass violent techniques that are demonstrated there. Of course, violence isn't inherently evil. It's when it's used in the wrong way that it gets bad. But I would say, yeah, if you want to defend yourself from physical harm, things might get violent. We have to be honest in that. Let's continue. W. Is karate worth learning? Absolutely. Karate is absolutely worth learning. Just go to your nearest dojo. talk to the sensei or some of the students. Get enrolled. Just start doing it. It's absolutely worth learning, and if it tickles you in the right way, it's more than just a sport. It's more than just an activity or a hobby. It will become your way of life. And let's see. I think we're almost at the end there. That's nothing for X. Is karate year round? Well, yeah, of course. It's usually an indoor activity. It can be practiced outside when the weather conditions are favorable. So if you want to go train in the snow, you can perform karate outside in the snow. If you want to do it inside, it's easy to practice karate everywhere and anywhere. And I think we're there. There's nothing for Z, and that's it. That's everything Google wanted to know about karate. So how about you guys? Are there still things that you really want to know about karate that weren't asked? I'm sure there are some things that are still unclear. Did you like this type of format? Would you like me to make some more of these? Do you have ideas about what we would like to see? Don't hesitate, put it down in the comment section down below. And yeah, for now, have a great day and thanks for watching.